Hi and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the unique kind of Wi-Fi speed test comparison between Realme X7 Max and the iQOO device by using the Wi-Fi hotspot from the Mi11X smartphone. So yes friends, this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to test the Wi-Fi speeds between both phones regarding the iQOO and the Realme X7 Max device by using the Mi11X Wi-Fi hotspot. The reason why it did ask this kind of question is because my Wi-Fi router is kind of really old Wi-Fi router, and the problem with the iQOO is that it's detecting really less transmit link speed only in this phone, not in other phones, only in this phone. So that's why it did ask me to test, try to use other smartphone as a Wi-Fi router, so then try to do the speed test results whether you can see actual difference or not. So yesterday I did upload a video without using any kind of thing. I'm using just my Wi-Fi router only, so that is the reason we did experience slow speeds in the iQOO device. But let's see in this testing, I'll try to use the portable hotspot from this Mi11X smartphone. Let me try to quickly turn on the portable hotspot, as you can see here friends. And this portable hotspot is Wi-Fi 6 GHz portable hotspot. So there's an option which is available in the Mi11X device. So it is a Mi11X smartphone. So the option which is called the 6th generation standard, you can turn on this one when you're trying to turn on the portable hotspot. As you can see, the Wi-Fi name is of Wi-Fi test, which I have created just now. So let me try to quickly connect in both phones with the same Wi-Fi network. So first let me try to show you what is happening, exactly the problem, so you can understand why I am using Mi11X instead of normal Wi-Fi router. You might be wondering why. Unless I show you the proof, you won't be able to understand. And right now I did connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Let me try to show you friends, same Wi-Fi network. And in the Realme X7 Max, it's detecting 150 Mbps, and in this one it's detecting 72 Mbps. And a lot of users did say that there's a problem with your router, not with the phone. So maybe not completely problem with my router, because other phones are able to get the high speeds. Why not this phone? That is only the small software bug which is going on. So that is the reason I'm trying to connect to this phone. Let me try to connect to this Wi-Fi test, and this Mi11X is connected to my Wi-Fi network. So to my Wi-Fi network which I'm using, that is the reason why I'm trying to do. Let me try to quickly enter the password right now. I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi test right now. As you can see friends, this Mi11X is successfully connected to my Wi-Fi router, and I'm sharing from this phone as a Wi-Fi 6 to the other smartphones, as you can see clearly. So this is the reason, and Mi11X is detecting successfully 150 Mbps, no issues in the Mi11X at all. So now let's see what will happen. So first step is to check the transmit link speed, how much is detecting. As you can see, 1001 Mbps, because I did use the Wi-Fi 6th generation. That is the reason you are seeing high connection speeds. So let's check in the iQOO smartphone. So it's the iQOO device which I am trying to use, so which is also showing kind of transmit link speed 626 Mbps, but sometimes it will definitely show 1200. So I'm not bothered about this one at this point, because I did see 1200 speed link in this smartphone before as well. So right now, as you can see friends, with the same Wi-Fi test, I did get again 1200, as you can clearly see here. So just by disconnecting and connecting, you'll be able to get this kind of high speeds again. But that's not happening with my Wi-Fi router, so that is the reason I'm trying to connect this smartphone. So now both phones are successfully connected with this Mi11X Wi-Fi router, and now we'll be able to do the speed test. So which phone will be able to grab much of the Wi-Fi, and my Wi-Fi connection has a speed of 93 Mbps and 94 Mbps. So let's see friends, which phone will be able to do that, and is the iQOO device. First I'm trying to do in the iQOO smartphone. So let's see, and this iQOO was able to achieve that kind of speeds, 91, 92. As you can see clearly, it's close to 93 as well. That's very good. So iQOO device, as you can see friends, iQOO smartphone. So definitely there is no problem with the iQOO device. So from the starting I'm trying to say the same thing, there is no problem with the iQOO device. But the users who are having same Wi-Fi router like me, old type Wi-Fi router which is 2.4 GHz network, you will be experiencing slow speeds. So that is what I'm trying to say from the day one itself. Not maybe from the day one, maybe from the day 6 or 7, when I realized something is weird in the settings. So right now I'm getting 93 Mbps of speeds in the Realme X7 Max. No problem. 91, there's not much difference I'm getting at this point. So overall friends, the speeds between both phones are really good in terms of the Wi-Fi. As I said, you should have really good Wi-Fi router, so then only you'll be able to experience this kind of high transmit link speeds in the iQOO device. So let me try to do the test once more in the iQOO smartphone. Let's see whether this time it will be able to grab that kind of high speeds or not. So right now I'm getting 92, as you can, 93. That's good. 93 as well, 94. Sometimes I'm trying to see the 94 as well during this time. So 93.3, and as you can see, the upload speeds are also really great. So no issues with the iQOO as well, friends. So there's only thing is that you need to remember what type of router is yours. So after once you receive the phone, try to check the transmit link speed, how much you're getting, 72 or 150 Mbps. So that is another thing to check. And this is my first time I am facing this kind of problem in the iQOO device, not in Mi11X, not in OnePlus Nord, not in Realme X7 Max, not in other Realme X7 Pro device as well. No issues. But for the first time I'm saying this kind of less transmit link speed with my Wi-Fi router. So that is a problem. If there is problem with my Wi-Fi router, it should be problem with every smartphone, not with one smartphone. So that is a where I am kind of a little bit worried about the software might fix this kind of issue. So I did already address to the iQOO team as well regarding this Wi-Fi problem which is going on. So right now these are the speeds which we got for the second time testing. Now let me try to quickly turn off and start the speed test at same time. So let's see which phone will be able to take a lot of Wi-Fi signals at same time. I'm trying to do, friends, as you can see, at same time. I did click at same time both phone. Let's see which phone will be able to get the maximum. I think both phones are kind of close to each other. As you can see, friends, both phones are kind of really close to each other. But this is not the case with the Mi11X and this phone. I think just before this video I did upload a video on that comparing with the Mi11X device. Try to check this video, friends. In this video the Mi11X did take a lot of the Wi-Fi. So but here I cannot find much difference between both phones. As you can see, 48 and 47, it's kind of close to each other, so there's nothing much difference as well. Right now it's happening. As you can clearly see, even the uploads and download speeds, everything are close to each other only, friends. If I try to click at same time, so it's really a good thing to know that both are having same kind of Wi-Fi speeds, reception signal, as you can see right now. So try to check that video, you will be able to understand why I am saying particularly again and again. So right now 47 and 45 Mbps, 49, 50. So both are kind of close to each other. There's nothing much difference. So but I did observe more difference in the Mi11X device. There's a huge difference in the Mi11X device. So try to watch that video in case if you want to know how much different it is. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. And there's a quick test using the Mi11X as a Wi-Fi hotspot testing in both phones. We got the results. Both are same connectivity in terms of the Wi-Fi speeds. Same connectivity, friends. And one more quick smallest problem. If your Wi-Fi router is too old Wi-Fi router, which is 2.4 GHz, and then definitely you will be experiencing the slow transmit link speeds when you try to connect to the Wi-Fi router. That is the main problem which I'm trying to face right now. This is the 72 Mbps which I want to show you right now. So try to check as soon as you got your phone, try to connect to the Wi-Fi and try to check the transmit link speed, how much you're getting. It should be 150 Mbps, not 72 Mbps. So that is what my thing is. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like in case if you love my content. And try to check the links in description for live wallpapers, what I'm trying to use in my phones. You can find the links in description as well for the wallpaper playlist. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.